Hello my friends, and welcome back. In today's live programming video, we'll be doing some more work on Komorebi, the tiling window manager for Windows, written in the Rust programming language. Today we're going to do a little bit more work on the documentation in anticipation for the next versioned release, which will be 0.1.20. So this is where we got to. Pretty cool if I do say so myself. We have the main page, got some stuff about the design and the data model. We got the getting started here with the installation instructions, the build from source instructions. We have a whole page on the example configurations, talking about interesting bits that people might like to take a look at. And last time we added the CLI reference, and this is all generated. So I thought that was particularly cool. We have an entire CLI reference and we have a command now which allows us to just, regenerate this whenever we add new commands. So I think that is incredible. But we are still missing something very important, and that is the configuration reference. So today we'll be doing some work on that configuration reference. So I'll head into Komorebi, git pull, make sure that we have the latest, and I guess on one side, let me get up the static config struct, and then we can work from there. And we have the doc strings here as well, so alright, I'm feeling good about this. Let's dive on into it. So let's open up Lunavim, we got docs, and you wanna add a section here. So we have getting started. Actually no, so we'll do configuration reference, and then we'll do like configuration, all of these things. So I guess we'll start with invisible borders. Why don't we just grab all of these? Right, let's see if we can do some Vim craziness. How do I make a new buffer? Yeah, there we go. Alright, so let's get rid of everything that is not starting with pub, and then I'm sure there's a way to do this with sed, but this'll do. So we can do a selection block, take it all the way down to the bottom, and change this here, and then let's see if I can record a macro. So I'll do f semicolon clear .md escape down stop recording. So wait, how to call a Vim macro. It's been a while since I used macros. and then execute by, okay, so if I do at Q, nice. Okay, wait, how do we at Q? Sweet. At Q. At Q. I don't know how to do this across all of them. Maybe a Vim master can tell me this. Can I? No, I can't redo macros, unfortunately. But hopefully somebody who is better than me at Vim can tell me all about how to do this. Like, ideally what I would like to do is highlight all of these and then press at Q. No, that doesn't work. Never mind. We're getting there. Slowly but surely. Okay, so we got all of these now. And we can add them. Oh, I should have put configuration before them, but we can do that here still, I think. Look at me and my Vim foo. Pretty freaking cool. Alright, now we just gotta get them aligned properly. Great, and so like we can go through and create each of these as and when we need to, right? Not sure why I closed it. Alright, we need a configuration folder. Not in there. In here. There we go. Configuration. New folder. Great. And so I guess the first one can be invisible borders.md. Make docs, just get that up and make sure. Yeah. So if I now open this, hello world, I believe it is Nick shell minus P. All of these, I really got to get around to adding a Nick shell or a flake for this. And then we can do make docs serve. And localhost 8080. Ooh, localhost 8000. That's the one. So here then we have the configuration reference, and we have a lot of none. Why is it showing none when I have invisible borders here? That is very strange. I see. Okay. Invisible underscore borders. Great. And we have hello world. So we got this, and we have a rect. Okay, so I have some auto generated stuff here. It's probably going to be best actually if we do this alphabetically. So let's just grab these. and run a sort. So yeah, let's do them alphabetically. Active window border dot md. And what do we have here? Display an active window border default false. Let's see how this looks. And of course, let's refer to the Westterm docs, the greatest of all docs. So I think maybe this is a nice version thing. So the language can be this option. Actually, no, we can keep it imperative like that, right? And default false, possible values true, false, null. And let's see how that looks. I don't love it. I don't love it. It looks very plain. Type Boolean. Meh. No, I don't like this. This does not look good. So this is not Open API. What is this? JSON schema generator. Markdown. So let's take our schema and see what this spits out, right? If it can even handle our schema, that is. We got a pretty thick schema. Oh, snap. I would like to see this, however. Markdown preview online. Let's see, what does this look like? Oh, okay. Hey, that's not bad. That is not bad at all. I'm sure there's something like this on Vercel. No, there is not. JSON schema viewer. Alright. Let's see how this one does it. Like, I just need a basic template to follow, you know? And then I'll be alright. Oh wait, this is the same damn thing that I have. This is JSON schema for humans. I gotta be honest, it's not very good for humans. I'm sorry to say. It is not not very useful for humans. So this is clearly not a solved problem, but I think this one looks pretty cool, right? So we do it like this, default false, and like then we can just add stuff later, right? Types, boolean, no, and we'll do default false. I mean, let's just get stuff here that people can search for, right? Okay, let's just get stuff that people can search for. So, active window border. Next is going to be active window border colors. That is not the latest though, is it? I do not think that that is the latest. We gotta generate a new one. CD Komorebi C gen schema. No. Config schema. Static config. Schema.json. And let's open that up here. Great. And then the next one is going to be this. Active window border colors. We're just gonna yoink this. And the type is not null. This is our type. Doesn't let us go there. Definitions. Sync scroll, that's also what I need. Okay, we'll do it from here. We'll do it from here. So we can crib some of this from here. Right. And let's just see what this is looking like. So we don't need this, we don't need this. Get rid of these. We don't really need properties here, do we? That's not bad. And then maybe an example. Like an example. Because then I think this also needs to be RGB, doesn't it? Active window border colors, monocle, any of RGB. Okay. So that we can grab from... Oh, this is such a mind-numbing task. Not a fan of this task. Maybe I need to generate this. Oh my god, maybe I do need to generate this. Meh. So monocle single stack. So maybe for now we ditch all of this. Because I have a feeling this is gonna get generated at some point anyway. Why don't we just go with examples? Right? And we'll just take the examples out of here. So we'll wrap up everything into an object at the top level. Make sure that we don't have any trailing commas. Like this. And yeah, let's continue on like this for now. Then we have active window border offset. Oh, I should put the defaults. Right, we should put the defaults. Default false, example. Cool. Here this defaults to nil. Great. Next up, we have active window border offset. And that is like this. Default null example we can give an example where it is, let's say 5. Cool. Next up, active window border width. And this one defaults to 20. Get a JSON example. Active window border width is 20. Let's see how these are coming along. Nice. 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 I would like to have this match on all of them. Active window border. Right, because that's how it is in the configuration file. Active window border offset. Active window border width. Alt focus hack is going to be deprecated. Cannot wait for that. So this one I can actually add some additional info. Default is false. Example JSON alt focus hack false. And here we can put mark down how to make a notice warning box. Boxes from a single cell table. Let's try that. I don't like it. Maybe I just put it in a quote block. Yeah, that looks pretty good. As a v0.1.20. Nice. App specific configuration path. Let's create that. App specific configuration path. Huh? I thought I copied that. There we go. This one defaults to no, and then the example we can take straight out of this. And we can add a note to this one. Note only env.user profile only the variable and views the profile will be expanded. Other variables, other environment variables will not be expanded. Maybe let's put the note on the top. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad at all. Kind of getting into the rhythm of things for now. Border. Wait, I should change this to deprecated since. We have another deprecation here in border offset. Border offset.md. Border offset. You know what, maybe I just ditch these, because like there's no point including them if they're deprecated. I don't know. Border overflow applications. There we go. I think this defaults to null. Example. I got some border overflow applications in my config, I think. No, I don't. But I can... I mean, I guess I can just use this as an example. Border overflow applications. Yeah. And I guess we can say what each thing can be. Kind can be title, exe, class, and matching strategy can be equals, starts with, ends with, contains, regex, or legacy. Maybe we put this as a note. Note. Can you do these inside of notes? Yes, you can. There we go. Alright, not bad. Not bad at all. So this one we can actually go ahead and remove from make docs. So I'm gonna ditch that. I'm gonna ditch that too. There's a lot of things in there. Damn it. There are way too many things in there. But you know, it's alright. We will manage. We will manage. Cross monitor move behavior. Let's create that next. Oh wait, I'm not even there, am I? Border overflow, border width. Yeah, I think that is my next one. Which is also deprecated, so it is gonna be cross monitor move behavior after all. Can add that. The default is swap, and the example where is this one? Cross monitor move behavior, where are you? For real, where are you? Oh, move behavior, operation behavior. Maybe... Huh. That's weird. What does the schema for humans say? Any of swap or insert. So we'll do example, JSON, cross monitor move behavior, insert. And I guess when there are see, this is the thing that I'm missing without the auto generation. This, like everything here has some Rust doc documentation, which I'm just not gonna be able to pass through. Maybe I've gone down the wrong path. And this is so frustrating because you would think that somebody would have written software for this sort of stuff by now, a library or something like that, where you can generate basically where you can just generate make docs from every single thing in a JSON schema file, but they haven't. And I think, god damn it, I think I might just do it. You know what, I'll sleep on it. I'll sleep on it because first of all, this is really tedious. Second of all, it's incredibly error prone. And third of all, it's such a shame to be losing out on so much of the documented behavior from inside the code, right? And then you have two places where you need to keep the documentation in sync. Like, yeah, I'm thinking as long as we keep, if we can generate, right? If we can generate each one of these things, each one of these configuration entries using the Rust doc, like maybe embedding examples in the Rust doc as well, then we have a single source of truth. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna sleep on it. Sorry, this this episode was a bit of a bust. But you know, before I go any further down this path, how much time have I spent on this? 40 minutes. I've spent more time on far more useless things in my life and in my career, so I don't mind writing off 40 minutes if a really cool open source library that helps people generate documentation from JSONSchema comes out of this. So yeah, I guess stay tuned. In the next episode of Dragon Ball Z, we will figure out what Goku will do next. Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna do it. I'm probably gonna fumble a lot until I figure out how to do it. But you know, man, life is just a bunch of side quests, and this is gonna be an interesting side quest if I go ahead and write this generator. And who knows, maybe other projects will get to use it as well. Why don't we head on over to the sponsor page, and there it is. Yo, how do I get to the sponsor page? I lost the sponsor page. What the hell? Oh, there it is. So now that we're here, why don't we say thank you to all of the sponsors? Thank you very, very much to private sponsor number 1, a brand new private sponsor number 2, thank you very much. Thank you to EFL1P, Julian, Evan, Maxwell, Red Lobster, Darian, Leandro, Alex, Kwang, Surefire, Pavel, and Hisayuki, my amazing friends. Thank you all so very much. If you too would like to become a sponsor, get these shoutouts, just head on over to the sponsor page, be a monthly sponsor, be a one-time sponsor. Honestly, even if it's just $1 a month, it makes a huge difference to me. If, however, you are not in a position to become a sponsor, the very next best thing that you can do is subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hell, subscribe to both the YouTube channels and just watch the videos. We are 100 and something watch hours away from being fully monetized, which means that when people watch these tutorial videos, these live development videos, any of that stuff, and an ad comes up, the project will get a cut of those ads, and it's a really nice, easy, passive way for you to support this project. Alright, my friends, that is all the time that we have for today. I hope that whatever you all do today, you have a great day. Free Palestine, and I'll see you all back here next time.